All autistic people are geniuses. Unless they're not. The myth comes from media stereotypes such as the autistic savant. While some autistic people do have exceptional skills, some have a mix of strengths and struggles, just like everyone else. Some people are gifted artistically, musically, or being able to retain a whole bunch of things that no one's got to know. For me, I memorized the president's birthdays, death dates, term dates, the countries of the world, the elements of the periodic table, which again no one has to memorize, but those were the things that came easy for me. But there are still a ton of struggles that we face on an hourly basis. So no, I personally can't memorize a dictionary or anything like that, or memorize a deck of cards in 20 seconds. But I can spot a fake smile from across the room or a false compliment from across the ocean. Autism is a nonlinear spectrum, and intelligence is not a one-size-fits-all. So stop looking for Raymond and start expecting real people.